See if we can't catch some YOLO stuff with some evals at the close here. Pushing up, getting rejected. Coming in the last 30 minutes of the day. What is it going to do? What is it going to do? See here, it is this pivot. This is the SPY chart. This pivot here is going to go through the pivot and back up, or are we going to get rejected and roll right back off? So far, she is getting the rejection. I'm going to say we're going to roll back off. Ooh, I might be wrong. Oh, let's go. Looks like we're going to continue to roll. Maybe. Or not. Figure we'd come right back down and test the bottom of this area down here. Chart is in no man's land though, isn't it? I don't like that at all. There's another pivot down here. Matter of fact, I bet the murder bot takes us right here, if not lower than that. That's what I think. I bet it brings us at least down to this pivot. In another 18 minutes. Oh, you can't even see what I'm talking about. This pivot right here. I bet the murder bot takes us down there. And that just took us out of that trade. I'll take it. I'll take it. So let's go over my P&L for this week. So first of all, whatever, good afternoon, by the way. Hope you all have had a great week. So whatever day was it, non-farm or the minutes, the FOMC minutes. I think that was Wednesday. It's either Wednesday or yesterday. So I was able to finish 4 of these, not that day. I think I finished these 4 yesterday. But what I'm getting at is whatever day the minutes were, I nuked the other 4. I was about up at 155 on the 4 that I'm currently working on. And it was the day that I streamed. So whatever, I think that was Wednesday. And I've forgotten that um, the minutes, excuse me, the minutes were coming up, and I had entered into a trade, and I lost like $2,700 on that trade. And I was like, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's my money. It's fine. I'll just come back at 250 and I'll recoup my money. I did not. I did not recoup anything from those losses. As a matter of fact, I finished my accounts off in that 250 algorithm move. So I reset them, I restarted, and now I'm at um one what am I at? 155.7 right now. 155.7 right now. And I just realized you can't see what I am talking about. How do I do that? New scene. Yes. Yes. Now you see what I'm talking about. Sorry, my apologies. So yeah, I finished these four. I haven't updated this spreadsheet with what I've been trading right now. But these four in green are done. These four that you currently see on the P&L are at 155.8. And then here are the totals. So P&L for the two funded accounts that I have. All right. So this one I requested a payout on the first. That payout has been approved. The 2750 has been pulled out of that account, and this is the current total in that account, 43,662, with no trailing drawdown because I've already gone past the 5100 plus requested a payout from it. That payout has been approved. It's paid. So one payout in the books for 2024. I'm excited about that. That's awesome. Started the new year out right. And then my other funded account, this marks day 6, and I am at 4,462 in it. Uh, so here's my thought process with the 150K accounts too, right? So I am able to every 10 days, if I do what I am supposed to, right? I am able to request 2750 every 10 days. So this plays into why I strive so hard to get these above 400 every day. And if you look at my amount of trades, it actually was really easy for me today. That bottom one, that was literally 3 trades, right? 3 trades. And when I entered into one trade, um, I bought the dip. And then I immediately moved my target up to my original buy, and it came back and it clipped out both of them, and I was done after that. I was finished trading funded accounts after that. That put me at 416 in that one. I'd already clipped off 444 in the other one, and I was done. So where I was going with this, if 27 if 2750 is what I can withdraw every 10 days, all I need to make is $275 every day, right? To be break even. That is me making that times 10 and then withdrawing it. So anything over that is me growing the accounts. That's the reason why I try so hard to get to 400 or more. So I am constantly building a cushion as I am withdrawing money. Okay? That is my thought process behind that. So far that has worked out. We'll see if I am able to make it to round 2 with my first funded account. I've so far I am doing exactly my plan, right? Making that $400 mark and then getting out. And I will tell you, with a 150K account, it is a pain in the butt to get them passed. It's not easy. I say that. I mean, I don't know. Mentally, for me, I get up to that when they're almost passed, just like yesterday or Wednesday. I get up to that point when they're almost passed, and then always shoot myself in the foot somehow. But Once you have them over that dollar amount, the $5,100, I think is what it is, what you got to make in profit. The trailing drawdown goes away, and then you have all of that cushion to be wrong. Because you guys see the way that I trade. I'm not right all of the time. Yeah, I have a high win rate, uh, but that's because I can weather the storm a lot of times. And when you're only using two contracts, that gives you a lot of storm to weather. That gives you a lot of drawdown to hang on to. Um, and I've made it work thus far. So yeah, so 860 today. That was another hitting my goal and shutting it down and being done. That was early this morning. That was after those numbers came out. Um, 4140 for the week. I could not be happier with that. I could be, but then I would be being incredibly greedy. Plus, I funded four more accounts and I've made pretty good progress on the ones that I restarted. So, all in all, this is a fantastic, fan freaking tastic start to the week, finishing off the week and a start to my new year. And I am looking forward to what the rest of January holds. If I am somehow able to bring all 10 of these, even if it's just six, even six, getting six funded and paid out on at the end of January would be so huge to me. Y'all have no idea. It would be so huge to me. But that's what I'm working on. So my road to 10 is still going. Um, and we'll see how that journey pans out for me. As always, I very much appreciate y'all tuning in. Hope you have a great weekend, and I will catch you next time. Take care.